Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. Got a different type of video today. Going to be doing an unboxing of a package I got from Raw Speed RC. Those of you that are not familiar with Raw Speed RC, they are a company here in California. I think they got started about 3 years ago, and they specialize in RC products, obviously tires, bodies, carbon fiber, some accessories, apparel, stickers, chassis protectors, all that kind of stuff. And they've been kind enough to send me this package here. So I reached out to them and asked them if there were tires or other products they were interested in me reviewing. And so they sent this giant box here. I can barely get it within the frame. So we're gonna do unboxing and see what's inside. So Raw Speed RC, for those of you that have not used any of their products, it was started by a couple guys. I think it's Jason Snyder and Greg Hodap. Maybe there are others involved, not really sure. But yeah, Jason Snyder has a YouTube channel, Short Course World. It's been around for many years, 7, 8 years, maybe more. And pretty much one of the premier YouTube channels for RC products. And actually one of my favorite channels as well. I mean, for racing stuff, they're definitely he's definitely one of the top channels out there. Not doing as much as late. I think he's been focusing more on Raw Speed RC, and so it's good to see him, you know, producing other stuff for the RC community. So let's see what's in the box here. Okay, a lot of stuff. So Raw Speed RC started out doing tires. They sent me a bunch of tires and some wheels, it looks like. So rear wheels for a TLR buggy, 110 scale. Yellow is my preferred color for TLR. Some slicks. So in terms of the tire space, they've got pretty much the complete line for 110 scale and 1/8 scale. On the 110 scale, they have buggy tires, short course tires. They have some stadium truck tires and slicks only today. I think they're working on some of the treaded tires for that, and then also 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive buggy, of course. So they sent me some slicks for buggy. Stage 2 tires is their treaded tires. So I think these are one of their more popular indoor clay tires. So I told them I run on indoor clay, and they sent me a few different types. Clay compound is white for them. Stage 2 is kind of like this heavy barred style tire. So we'll test those out, see how those go. Got some Riptides. So Riptides is their other indoor clay tire. I think their newest one. Kind of an Electron style tire with a mix of sort of these diagonal diamonds and bars, small bars, kind of lower pin it looks like to me. So we'll check those out. Nice to see. More slicks. So they also make 4-wheel drive buggy tires. So slicks, you know, in terms of indoor clay, there's pretty much a few different styles. Slicks is popular for super high traction. In the winter here locally, we run slicks when it's wet, damp, more humid, a little colder. And then in the summers, we run treaded tires, and then, it looks like front wheels as well. Nice to see TLR wheels. Riptide, so they also make short course tires. So I think they sent me a few different. So the Riptide tires, again, are their indoor clay or indoor style tires. They also make soft and super soft tires. More slicks for short course. A lot of tires. More slicks for short course. And then the last item is another set of Riptides, short course style. So other than 110 scale, they also make 1/8 scale tires, primarily I think for outdoor tracks, and then they also sell carpet tires for their indoors or their 110 scale stuff. So yeah, nice little unboxing here. A lot of tires. We're gonna have to do a lot of testing over the next few weeks, months. Honestly, to get through this many tires will take me quite a bit of time. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you what's inside the box. In addition to this, you know, like guys mentioned, they do carbon fiber shock tires, carbon fiber battery braces, some 3D printed parts, wings and bodies as well. So check them out if you haven't seen them already. Raw Speed RC wheelswithwheels.com is their website, and I'll be testing these products. You know, also probably trying different things, like their wheels, they say, are probably the truest wheels on the market today, so I'll be doing some spin tests of this versus other brands. Also just obviously comparing this versus other brands that I've had experience with. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel as always, and look for more videos soon.